Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll give you bank mains exam syllabus. In my previous video, I gave preliminary exam syllabus. In this, we will know about mains exam syllabus. Subjects: English language, quantitative ability, reasoning ability, computer awareness, banking awareness, general knowledge, current affairs. English language: reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, verbal ability. Quantitative ability: simplifications, average, percentage, ratio, data interpretation, mensuration and geometry, quadratic equations, interest, problems of ages, profit and loss, number series, speed, distance and time, time and work, number system, data sufficiency, linear equation, permutation and combination, probability, mixture and allegations. Reasoning ability: verbal reasoning, syllogism, sitting arrangement, double lineup, scheduling, input output, blood relations, directions and distances, order and ranking, data sufficiency, coding and decoding, coded inequalities. Computer awareness: basic computer fundamentals, basics of hardware and software, Windows operating system basics, Internet terms and services, basic functionalities of MS Office, history of computers, networking and communications, database basics, basics of hacking, security tools and viruses, output and input devices, operating system basics, memory and storage devices, computer shortcut keys, computer abbreviations. Banking awareness: Indian banking system, banking law and practice, information technology and banking, loan policy and loan documentation, foreign exchange operations, terms relating to financial analysis, important terms relating to banking, finance and economy, acronyms used in banking and finance sectors. General knowledge: country, capital, currency, international organizations, heads and headquarters, national organizations and heads and headquarters, bank taglines, CMD, state capital, CM and governors, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, tiger reserves and bird sanctuaries, national dams, national dances, nuclear power plants and thermal power plants, airports, stadiums, festivals and states, lakes and states, rivers and cities, famous temples in India, boundary lines. Current affairs: international, national and state news, central and state schemes, sports, summits, important dates and themes, books and authors, union budget, science and technology, committees, persons in news means appointments, resign, death, birth related news, bilateral relations and economy, banking and banking related updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Do subscribe for more videos.